What's that chita mukbang?
Delicious.
This one I like this chicken because it tastes like Filipino roast chicken.
No masala.
The same what they told me that Filipino. She said that the chicken is fine because it tastes like Filipino. Lechon manok. This one. Goldilocks. Lumi.
All Filipino. Kabayang.
Suman.
Boost.
Biko. And this Arabic which is not included here. It's only Filipino food.
Hi. Delicious.
This is all bought from Yamitos. Whoever will say, I want lechon.
Love you.